Hi! I have arguably come up with the worst idea that I could possibly come up with. So I'm gonna film a video on it and involve all of you guys with my mistakes. You're welcome. I thought I've been doing loads and loads of looks on Instagram, loads of makeup, loads of everything, loads of just a lot of extra pretty much. And I realised I've never really done a tutorial on anything. So I thought maybe it'd be fun to do a little tutorial on something simple. Someone's messaging me, please don't. I'm in the middle of a video. Maybe I should put my phone on silent, just a thought. I'm an idiot. For this tutorial, I wrote out an entire script. With all those steps, I know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. It's supposed to be just a simple, glowy skin, nice skin, soft eye with some shimmery lids. But I pulled it through Google Translate 3 times. So I pulled it from English, the entire script, to Estonian, to Malay, to Dutch, it's my native tongue, and then back to English. So I have not read what has come out yet, but I can only assume that it's going to be exciting. I don't know what Google has in store for me, but I hope it's good. So if you want to come along with my venture of putting on a face of makeup through Google Translate and me following along the steps of what Google tells me to do apparently, stay tuned. 3, 2, 1. That was your time to leave. If you're still here, you're gonna have to watch the entire video. Thank you, leave a like below. I have the entire script on my phone right here, so I'm just gonna be starting with the first line. That is, I will wet my face and let it disappear a bit so that my skin feels soft and soft. That's a bit doubled down, I guess, but okay, I can live with that. Let me get some water. I'm back, have you missed me yet? I have a glass of water right here, so I'm gonna wet my face. Should I just pour it over my face, or should I kind of scoop it onto my face? I'm not prepared for this. I kinda don't want a big wet. Oh. Now that my face is wet, I'm gonna let it disappear a bit. I guess. I'll be right back when it has disappeared a bit. So now that the water of my face has disappeared a bit, I am gonna, to further soften my skin, I started to use primer as a basis for my makeup. Right, let me just get the hair out of my face for a minute. I like to use sunglasses for this because I'm extra. I'm gonna take some primer, get that all over my face. Just rub that in. Now I will take my base. I like the use of this NYX, but I do not have the right color, so I'm totally blind and very light. And hopefully they will meet in the middle. I mix it with makeup set. Oh god, this is gonna be disaster. What I meant by that is that I have 2 colours. One is way too light for me and one is way too dark. And to get my good match, I guess I always mix these 2. But I cannot do that now because I am very light and I am blind. So I will now be dropping this all over my face, like so. And then mix it with makeup set. I'm gonna do that. Makeup set. Oh shit. I'm gonna be taking this contour palette, close my eyes, and hope for the best. I think I'm gonna start by just smearing it all over my face to try to get an even base, you know. Then maybe pat it in a little bit or something like that. Am I beautiful yet? I don't know. Nope. Definitely not. Then I take some contour lines and cream contours with my facial perimeters. That's fine, I can do that. You see, this colour is very light, so this looks way too dark on my skin right now. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, or if I'm gonna be able to fix this, but for now, this is a look. Not a good look, but it's a look. Then it says to take flat brush and blend in together. Maybe I can fix this foundation after all. Does this mean that I get to, oh god, that's dark. Normally this would match my skin quite well, but hey, at least I get to fix this foundation a little bit. I'm not mad about it. I am still very, very pale, but at least now I look like I'm from Michael Jackson's Thriller. That's a look. Now I just put it on a powdered bubble, which is currently the skin. Bitch what? Right, I don't know what that means, so I'm just gonna be taking my normal steps and just putting on some setting powder. That's that. Now I want to do something simple for my eyes, so I start with a transparent powder to mix it a bit easier. Right, I can do that. Just brush that same powder all over my eyelids. I am very pale right now. And then I will remove my entire wrinkles by a bright red gradient. That's supposed to be a slightly light peachy tone for my transition shade in the crease. Okay. I can do a bright red gradient. I don't really have any eyeshadows that are bright red, so I'm just gonna use some lipstick, I guess. This is gonna make everything blend terribly, I'm pretty sure. That's already a look. Jesus Christ, what am I getting myself into? What have I gotten myself into? I guess I'm just gonna take my fingers and blend that out. Yeah, I already predicted it. This isn't gonna blend. Can I use this blending brush? Yeah, this might be too soft. Don't blame me for this being terrible. I mean, you can, but it won't be very productive, because I know it is. So I think I have successfully removed my entire wrinkles. Then I only looked at the outer corner and slightly dark brownish wings. Okay. This is a disaster. Slightly dark brownish wings. I doubt this is gonna blend at all on top of this red lipstick base. But it's fine, don't worry about it. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. Or at least try to. Yeah, that's not blending very well, to say the least. I try. I'm genuinely trying. Well, this isn't great, is it? I think for now that's the best I'm gonna get it. It's not very good, I know. Then I take the hidden shadows first and apply it with the whole lid. The hidden shadows, the hidden shadows. Maybe the shadow color in this palette? It's kind of purpley. It won't work, but it's closest to a hidden shadow that I'll probably get. So I'm gonna apply that on the whole lid. Apparently. And for that I'm using a large shader brush. And I'm just gonna do my best to blend that in with the rest of it. This isn't good. Honestly, I just look like emo Star-Lord Supreme. I don't know what this is. It's really bad. You're welcome. I am currently embarrassing myself for your entertainment, so you better appreciate it. I think I can do the under eye with that as well, because I haven't done the under eye. I forgot to put that in. However, I think this is gonna at least tie the look together a little bit. It is not very good. Now for inner corner, I want to shine, so I will illuminate it very well and place it in the right corner. Right, so I'm going to take a highlight color. I'm going to be taking this right here, kind of like a champagne color. I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner. Try to blend that in a little bit, make it a bit softer. And I'm only going to be applying that to the right inner corner, because it doesn't say anything about my left inner corner, so I think that's just gonna be left to die. Now I just take the black liquid eyeliners and I make a simple wrapper around the linen. You'll find it. Oh, with towels. What does that mean? Does that mean I just put eyeliner on my linen and wrap it in towels? I'm confused, I'm not doing that. Let's just skip eyeliner then, I guess. Now I make dust from all these transparent powders and I add pop with shiny highlights and Instagram. What? I make dust with all these powders. I'm supposed to say I'm just supposed to dust off my face, so I'm gonna dust all the excess off of my face. This is not a look. I am not currently living for this. The pop with shiny highlights. Maybe that'll fix this look a little bit. I doubt it. I'm just gonna Instagramify myself. Oh, that's better. Oh, my palettes are falling. My palettes are falling. Abort mission. Hi, I'm Niels. How are you doing? How has your day been? Mine's been good, thank you for asking. So I think that's the finished look. I forgot quite a few things. Oh no. So I forgot quite a few things like mascara and blush. So I'm left here looking quite dead. I don't know what this look is, but you're welcome for it. I don't know what this video was, but you're welcome. If you want to try this for yourself, feel free. Please tag me in it. I really want to see people doing this because it's really funny to me. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment below, and maybe subscribe if you're feeling generous. Follow me on my Instagram, which is my main platform that I do things on and that I'm most active on. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. I will go and wash this off my face. Goodbye.